Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look at Myro, seeing what's going on. This coin's looking good and bad, I guess kind of all at the same time. So we'll double check that in a few things here. 0.382 fib level is not holding as well as we'd like. We had a double test yesterday and the day before, and here today we're breaking below. A lot of that pending on Bitcoin pulling back, and if Bitcoin does pull back, Myro will absolutely do so as well. So you just kind of recognize here there's some proof that we can see that the price action is more likely to decrease than increase in the overall sense. We'll talk about that much more. So if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, hope you can learn something today. If you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site, link down below. Quick congrats to our Premium Plus group. We took some nice profits here from ADA, AVAX, see your Chainlink, and also Solana. This is all taking place in the last 12 hours effectively for some mostly shorts. Okay, those are mostly shorts from the top. Couple of longs here from Solana, for example. We took a long from Solana 3 days ago at 60% or 56% rather, and Chainlink roughly 15 if you round up a little in 9 hours. So again, took some nice little longs there, but I think those trades, for lack of better terms, should be either closed or considered to be reversed effectively, just based on the fact that Bitcoin kind of reaching out at that 42.5 mark. And we'll talk, I mean, if you haven't watched my Bitcoin video, go ahead and do so. But generally speaking, we got some macro behavior for Bitcoin that's looking fairly bearish. So daily time frame, Myro, what does that mean here? Well, you do got to recognize that Bitcoin has some level of success, and a lot of coins are based off that, right? So this coin has proven to do very well outside of it. However, once prices start to pull back, you'll start to see an alignment with Bitcoin, okay? And I mean, like, once we hit a certain threshold. We've already been diverging for 3 days on the MACD. That's a starting point. But also, we can see here we're getting closer to 50 on the RSI. We lose 50 here, then we can presume we're going to be in bear town for a little while. Okay. So at this point here, daily time frame doesn't look fantastic. We are testing the 20-day SMA right now here with this ascending trend line. We lose or close below that, we're going to be in fairly dire straits. And again, the 20-day SMA is not like a massive, like, oh my gosh, I just got a short because this happens. It just kind of lets us know we've lost this bullish uptrend and there's more potential for downside. Okay, now that we're here. So again, just be mindful of that. It's kind of where we're at here for Myro. We take a look at the 4-hour time frame. We're below 3 out of 4 moving averages now. That's not great at all. We're below 50 in the RSI, stochastic swinging down, and of course MACD trying to diverge here. Okay, so those are all things that are adversely impacting this coin, kind of letting us know that, hey, we have some confirmation this coin is definitely on the wrong side of tracks right now. Okay, so that's not fantastic. Take a look at TD sequential. We've had some overextension in the past, but we're hitting like 3s, 4s, and 5s for the most part. So we're kind of running concurrent with Bitcoin there in that sense, where it has these little pushes, so to speak, and not full-on confirmational signs. So what does that mean for us here? Well, if we take a look at the hourly, we want to kind of recognize a few things here on the hourly. First things first, my speculation is we're going to be within or below the cloud, which we are now officially below. So we have this divergence here that's showing us pretty significantly the price action will continue lower. We take a look here, see the money flow index pulling down, or sorry, that's not MFI, same color, of course. That's a lagging span showing us that we're free and clear of the price action. Conversion line is now below the baseline, and we're below the cloud here for roughly 4 hours. So this is 3 out of 3 confirming factors letting us know the price action should continue to run. If we lose this support level here at roughly 15.4, then it's going to be pretty bad from there. And when I say support level, it's just there was a previous amount of support right here. You can see all the way over. So if you kind of zoom in, you can see this guy right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 hours in a row, almost. Well, 4 out of 5 hours, the price action wouldn't cross that plane. We're coming down to retest that level here. If we lose that, it should be dire straits. So I'd say confirming, 15.4 or lower today at the candlestick closure would give us that confirmation the price is going to continue lower. Keep in mind, it's fairly well overextended, could bounce. There's that possibility, but everything's kind of letting us know that the anticipation of the price moving down than up at this point is greater. Okay. So again, it's less common for coins to kind of just bounce and pivot like this here, unless Bitcoin goes on a tear. So if Bitcoin comes up to 44K later today, sometime tomorrow, we will see Myro recover. If it doesn't, solid shorting opportunity about the 16-cent mark. That's my speculation there. Okay, so that's kind of where we're at there. I hope that it works out well for you in either way. And at this point, I would just say be very careful on how you trade, because this coin does look like it's ready to dump. I hope it pumps. Of course, it's done very well for itself in the past, but the chart's you just got to let this chart speak to us. If you're emotionally invested in any coin, you're doing it wrong. Just some friendly advice there. Other than that, I do teach all that stuff in my trading university. Make sure you check that out, cryptocash.tech. Be sure you also reference Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, no KYC or VPN required. We use this exchange exclusively as a community because it's just fantastic for a lot of our US and Canadian based members, but coincidentally, they're better than every exchange we've ever used. They compensate our members if there's ever any downtime. It's been a fantastic experience. So thank you again, Bitunix, for just being a truly legitimate and awesome, favorable exchange. Thank you. We'll see you all in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow. Greatly appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.